We have to have respect for our fallen heroes.
Now, this video you are watching is what is happening in Niger Delta. Asari Dokubo Boys, they are remembering their brothers that were killed by the IPOP people and the bandits in the north, according to them. Wait, I want to say something before I play this video. Now listen to me. Asari Dokubo, then they remember their brothers where they give weapon gun to go to Igbo land to kill IPOP people. After this video finish, he get another video where I go post on my this YouTube. When I go watch and hear what they said about the IPOP people. So they are sending these people to come to Igbo land to slaughter Igbo people. That is why sometimes that time when they are slaughtering Igbo youth, innocent people will not do anything. People we are saying that Asari Dokubo are sending their boys to the Igbo land. But some people don't believe in that. Some people talk say na lie. But look at it. They are remembering their brothers that were killed by the IPOP people, according to what they said. After you watch this video, you watch the next video and you hear what is happening. So this Asari Dokubo right now, they are sending a Joy Youth and all this Niger Delta thing for them to come to Igbo land to fight against their brothers. And the Asari Dokubo is now claiming that he sent his boys to go and fight bandits in the north. I'm not sure whether Asari Dokubo Boys go feel we stand with this bandit where they fight against soldiers. I know the target of these people to form this group is to fight against the Igbos that are saying they need Biafra, to fight against IPOP people. Because of money, they are now rising up to fight against their brothers, IPOP, where talk say they need Biafra. And my own concern is that when these people, we are slaughtering innocent Igbo youth, we not do anything. It's a pity. Make una watch the video before I say anything.
Our brothers who have died, especially those of us who are in River State. We are not facing the danger and the difficulties they are facing in Abia. We are not facing the dangers and the difficulties they are facing in Imo. We are not facing the dangers and the difficulties they are facing in Plateau and Niger. The money that we get here, the food that we eat here, come from their sweat. We started our first operation on the 3rd of November 2021 with the Anambra election. Because of the performance of our people in Anambra, we went back. The government asked us to go to Imo State. In Imo, we did what nobody thought was possible. Where they said there were tunnels, that people were running through tunnels. At the valley, we entered. We went everywhere. They saw it. Out of jealousy, 5 of our men were executed point blank by the police. If we had lost our temper at that time, you would not be around here now.
Operations to all beat commanders. Operations to all beat commanders. Please give me situation report in your serious location.
Over the years, they've been telling government lies. We prove them wrong.
Report from forward base. Forward base is not the answer. The soldiers are not announcing what to work here.
We passed through that difficult. We continued to progress, and from that progress, the government of General Muhammad Buhari saw us and gave us opportunity to go to different places to bring peace to the people. Before we went to Wasi, people were not going to farm. Before we went to Paga, people were not going to farm, to Mangoro. And today, we have gone to several places. They might accept it, or deny it. We are Izon people. And Izon people said, no matter how you press a dead body, it will come out. No matter how you press a cork into the water, it will float out. Aru bile bile pangabila.
Money are you?
There's nothing you can do about it. You can't erase the fact that we cleared the Abuja-Kaduna road for people to be traveling free. Alhaji Wakama is not here. His sister-in-law was kidnapped. Up to today, she has not come out of the trauma of that kidnap. The people that were kidnapped through the railway. People should appreciate the contribution of people. Our people in Niger had contributed, they have done their best for this country and for humanity. We are not in competition with anybody. We are not in competition with anybody. We are doing our work. In doing this work, we are not even paid in some places. For 13 months, going to 14 months now in Imo, they've not paid us. Even though they know that if we leave Imo today, that state will collapse. Who is making noise? Who is that idiot? They know when the people do not appreciate the efforts that you put in, the sacrifices that you make. Our brothers have died, our brothers have been maimed. We are fighting principalities and powers, wickedness in high places. If you see all the people that there are people that fall in their thousands, you see all the juju and charms on their body. You will not say that it is those things you put on your body. The power of God supersedes all power. And don't think the mistake a lot lot of people make, they think that these powers are their servants. They are not your servants. You are their servants, and they are working for you. The rules are very clear. Don't kill innocent people. The rules are very clear. Don't steal. Don't use your power to oppress other people. There are those of you who have come to your village and you go and threaten people with DSS. If you get arrested, we don't know you.
Now you have watched this video. I want you to watch the next video that I will post on my this YouTube channel. He get pastor where they call in this place where they there. Then call the pastor, make the pastor pray. And the pastor was talking about IPOP people. Today we are remembering our brothers that we are killed by the IPOP people. So now, all this youth that you are seeing going up and down with candle, all of them now are against Biafra. So now the same people where una talk say they follow for Biafra. Look at how thousands of youth, they are going to Igbo land to fight against people where talk say they need freedom from Nigeria. My own concern is that how they are slaughtering innocent people that time, even till today, under the name of they are looking for non-government, slaughtering innocent Igbo youth will not do anything. And the government is not talking about it. Everybody keep quiet. Now this youth, thousands of them, where when they talk say Niger Delta people, they are part of Biafra. If you give these people a referendum, they will vote against Biafra. Do you see how many thousands of youth they are sending in Igbo land? All of them are against Biafra. Now these people that you are counting, they follow for Biafra. I told you people before, 5 states is normal. 5 states is normal. 5 states is normal for us to stay. I believe that God will give us Biafra with peace. I'm not talking about all this thing that these people are doing, killing people for under the name of Biafra. No, I'm talking about God will bring it with peaceful. Yes. Watch the next video that I will post on my YouTube for you people to see what is happening. The son Asari Dokubo was fighting against Nigeria government before. He was fighting against Nigeria government because Nigeria government know they settle them well. All the oil they are bringing in their land, they know they settle them well. Now he see the IPOP people who talk say they need Biafra. Why can't him know how to bring peace? He's coming to fight, to kill. Do you see what is happening? Because of the contract or the money they are giving to him in Abuja, I don't know. Yes, that is why sometimes Asari Dokubo will threat anybody, they will leave him. Because they are using him to fight against his brothers. May God have mercy upon this country. And may God have mercy upon Asari Dokubo. May God have mercy. Watch the next video that I will post on this my channel. Thank you.